Good morning, guys. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. Bringing to you today a 2015 Pete 389 glider kit with a small flat top sleeper. Got a 12.7 liter pre-log Detroit, 13 speed, 312,000 miles. Gonna do a full walk around, show you inside and out underneath the hood. Gonna get it fired up and get started. Really clean truck overall. It does have a wet kit. Only damage is got that dent in the hydraulic tank. It's got a blockable fifth wheel if you need it for that. Body paint, fenders, the whole, everything's really nice, clean, straight. There you have it, guys. If you need anything additional, you can always hit me up, call me, or email me. Joey at truckmarket.com, 901-896-4526. Thanks.